If you use Samsung Good Lock to customize your Samsung phone, there's a brand new LockStar update that brings some awesome features, including new unlock animations and always-on display brightness control. First, make sure you're updated. Open the Galaxy Store. Tap the menu icon, top left corner. Go to Updates. Check for the latest Lock Start module update. Once that's done, you're ready. Open Samsung Good Lock app. Scroll down and tap on LockStar. Tap on LockStar icon. Tap Unlock Animation. Here you'll see a bunch of new animation styles like slide, expand, wave, swirl, and more new effects. Pick any style you like. You can also customize animation time and color, effect intensity, smoothness, linear or more dynamic. Once you're done, now lock your phone and unlock it. You'll see the brand new animation in action. It makes your lock screen feel way more premium. Next, let's check the AOD update. Inside LockStar, tap on Always on Display. Tap on AOD Auto Brightness. Toggle off the button to manually adjust the AOD brightness you want. Adjust the Always on Display brightness to move slider and tap Done in the top right corner. Lock your Samsung phone and tap the screen to see your changes instantly. It's a small update, but it really upgrades the overall experience. If you love customizing your Samsung device, this update is definitely worth trying. That's it for this video.